All right, let's talk about how you can get started with selling physical products that you don't own. Okay, products you don't own, products you don't own, products you don't warehouse. All right, products you don't warehouse and products you don't have to ship. Okay, or deliver. Okay, this whole concept is what I call the e-commerce leverage advantage. All right, so you can be anywhere, you can be in your house, and you sell products right from your house. Physical products. I'm not talking about digital products now. All right. And one thing that you need to understand is that there are a whole lot of people, product owners, who don't know how to sell their products. Okay, so if you know how to write copies, you know how to, close people, close customers, or prospective customers, make them to become paying customers, you can make a whole lot of money doing so. Okay, now, so how this whole concept works is simple. All right, now here is how it works. You find a merchant, find someone, okay, who owns a product, right? And then you negotiate with the person. You tell the person that, oh, listen, I'm going to help you sell this product. By the way, you want to ensure or make sure that it's a product that works and that solves problems. Okay, it's solution driven. Okay, you don't want to sell products that don't work and that there's no big enough market for it. Okay, so you want to ensure that you take care of that part, and then go ahead, meet the merchant, tell him that, oh, listen, I want to drive people to this your product, to buy this your product. I'm good with this, I can do this for you, and all I want to ask from you is that you give me commissions for each product. So you can bargain, go ahead and negotiate how much is going to the person is going to sell each piece of the product to you. All right, and once you arrive at that, you basically have a contract. Okay, you have a contract, you have it drafted. Okay, have the contract drafted, and of course you want to work on the parts of delivering the product. The merchant himself can deliver the product to the end customer, right? So this is you are going to be in the middle right here. So you like the middleman, right? So you meet the merchant, negotiates, okay, and the person tell you, okay, this is how much for each piece. I'm going to give it to you for, let's say, 2,000 naira, or however the case may be. And then you go ahead and start selling. So you can do that via basically create a simple funnel for it. Create a simple funnel for it. Could be from, let's say, from Facebook to a landing page, and then down to your WhatsApp. Okay, and you close the customers right on WhatsApp. I've talked about how you have to make use of demonstrative videos on Facebook to do this, right? So you can use demonstrative excuse me, you can make use of demonstrative videos to do this. All right, and that's what I really have expanded on inside the 10x e-commerce leverage advantage. All right, create that video and then use it to drive traffic into your WhatsApp. Close the person. Once you have a successful sale, you come to meet the merchant and say, oh, listen, we have a sale. The merchant go ahead and delivers the product to the customer, right? And once and of course you have to make the merchant understand that, listen, I'm going to be spending money on ad, and this is what I'm going to of course have the cost of the shipping, so the merchant doesn't ask the customer for shipping. So if he or she is selling the product to you for 2,000 naira, you can decide to mark it up to say 10,000 naira. so that your advertising and the shipping costs can be covered, right? And you tell the merchant all of that, okay? And of course, every sensible merchant will appreciate this, because at the end of the day, you're looking for volume, right? So they delivers and then they credit you with your profit or commission, okay? So this is a very simple model that you could use to start generating some money for yourself right on the internet, okay? And there are, you can do this even if you're in Nigeria. Do this to, with Nigerians in Nigeria. You can do this people in Ghana and other African countries, okay? You can do this any part of the world, and some people call this drop shipping, okay? Drop shipping, okay? Some people call this drop shipping, all right? And I'm gonna show you how you can find these people, that these merchants that you can start working with and start driving sales to their products. And remember, I said that you want to make sure that you sell products that work, okay? Because your reputation is going to be on the line, all right? So the next thing you want to do is, how do you now find people, merchants that you can work with, right? You can do this, like I said, in Nigeria. You can do this in Ghana, in South Africa, right? You are in Nigeria, you are in Nigerian, you can even sell to Ghanaians, you can even sell to South Africans, right? It's that easy to do, right? I'm gonna share this with you. So one site is simple site you can use is GG. All right. So just head over to your browser. If you're in Nigeria, just say GG Nigeria. Okay, just say GG Nigeria, and you can see it right here, gg .ng, right? And all you need to do is go ahead, click on gg.ng, and you are going to find that they have different categories, okay? They have different categories, from vehicles to properties, mobile phones, to electronics, to home furniture, to health and beauty products, fashion, sports, lots of products right here that you can sell, right? So what you want to do is do a little bit of digging, and you will find that product, negotiate with the merchant, and of course you want to have a contract so that the person does not mess things up for you, okay? You don't want a situation whereby you're working with someone and then they deliver and then they don't pay you your commission or your profit. All right, so you want to ensure that you work with people who are credible, have a contract signed, okay? Now let's say you're in Nigeria, you want to sell to Ghanaians. Just go over to GG and say, or Google and just say GG Ghana, okay? GG Ghana, and you're going to see where it says right here. You can see it right here, say gg.com.gh. that's Ghana, right? So the same thing, the same way, just go ahead and then browse through the categories, find a product that that people want. Like I told you guys, that is the key parts, okay? You want to make sure that you sell products that people want, product that solves problem. It's very important, products that work, right? And like I said, these the way to go about sending people to your WhatsApp is very easy, okay? You can even use message conversion ads on Facebook, right? So you create a message conversion ad on Facebook using videos. People just click on these and then they get straight to your WhatsApp, right? It's that easy. Or you can make use of, let's say, landing page views, create a one-page website. You can create pages using Waze. You can use Google sites, like a lot of ways that you can have this done, okay? And then send the people to your website. Very, very easy things that you can do it. So depending on the country that you want to find products in, just go ahead and say GG the country, and you are going to find merchants that you can work with. Okay, now if this is a model that you love, okay, and you find that you really want to know more about, as you can see, it's a model that works, and there are a whole lot of people who do this already and in great amount doing it, but there are levels to doing this thing, right? A friend of mine have put together a training, okay, that he shared how an 18-year-old was able to do, how an 18-year-old, okay, was able to do over $8,000, okay, in less than 30 days. Okay, in less than 30 days, this lad was able to pull in over $8,000 doing this. Crazy, right? So there are methods, there are systems to actually making this thing work for you. And like I said, you can do this globally, okay, right from your bedroom, right from your home. So if you want to really know more about this, you want to check out that case study, that video, all you just have to do is go to www.10x, okay, ecom, okay, .club, right, /ECOG, right? That easy, okay? Or you just go to the description of this video, and you're going to find a link. You just check out the description of this video, and you're going to find a link to check this video that walks you through exactly how this 18-year-old was able to achieve this in 30 days. All right, so that's it, guys. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, do subscribe to the channel, and so that you can get notified anytime I put out videos. Okay, you'll be the first to know whenever I put out videos like this. Okay, so until next time, bye.